Simplifying a fraction is the opposite of equivalent fractions. So what we're looking to do is we're going to try and find the biggest number that would divide 6 and 8. Okay? So you're looking for, if you remember, your highest common factor. We're looking for the biggest number that can divide 6 and 8. They're both even numbers. That means they can both be divided by 2. So let's try that and see if it gets us down. So I'm going to divide top and bottom by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, 3 and 4, there's nothing that can divide both of them any further, so that's that one finished. So what about this one? 25 over 30. So 25 and 30, they can both be divided by 5. So that's what we're going to do. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 5 and 6 can't be divided by anything else, so that's that one finished. So 9 over 24. 24 can't be divided by 9, so we're looking for something smaller. So what else divides 9? 3. Can 24 be divided by 3? Yes, it can. So I'm going to divide both of them by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 and 8, we can't divide them anymore. There's nothing else that divides 3 and 8, so that's that one finished. Okay, 16 over 36. They're both even numbers, so you know that you can divide by 2. So let's do that first. So 16 divided by 2, 36 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now, 8 and 18, can they still be divided? They're both even numbers, so yes, we can. We can divide by 2 again. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 4 and 9 have nothing in common. There's nothing that divides both of them, so we're done. The other way you could have done that was to do 16 divided by 4, which is 4, 36 divided by 4, which is 9. But if you can't think of that, think of a small number and just keep going till you can't divide anymore.